Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
To make Mexican queso dip, you'll need just 3 ingredients: white American cheese, green salsa and half. That's it. You'll want to purchase a block of white American cheese at your grocery store deli counter. Just ask for a pound of the cheese, not sliced.
Take our lead.
Queso blanco. To get that classic Mexican restaurant queso blanco, use white American cheese. I also mixed in a small amount of mozzarella to enhance the texture and flavor. You could also mix in pepper jack, Monterey Jack, or another type of cheese instead of mozzarella.
Take our lead.
Over medium heat, melt everything together, stirring often until smooth. Add additional milk if needed. If you don't eat it all right away, you can store it in the fridge and reheat the queso blanco in the microwave.
Take our lead.
Deli. For now, Walmart will stock the original Gordos cheese dip in the deli section. Gordos cheese dip is available at many retail stores. You can check the map below for a list of stores in your state. Then check your store's website, and call before you head to the store.
Let's help you make your mark.
Queso fresco gets soft when heated, but it's difficult to melt. You can melt it over low heat for a while in order to make a cheesy dip or sauce, but it may remain chunky. In its soft state, it is commonly used as part of a filling for chiles rellenos, stuffed chilies, quesadillas, and burritos.
Let's help you make your mark.
Queso blanco. The truth about Mexican cheeses: queso blanco is not a type of Mexican cheese. It's a general term for white cheese, used primarily in Central and South American recipes. Queso añejo is not an aged version of queso fresco. It is its own kind of cheese, totally different in texture, moisture, and form.
Take our lead.
Queso dip ingredients: white American cheese and mozzarella. Evaporated milk. I prefer this over cream, milk, or half and half. Cornstarch. A good thickening ingredient. Jalapenos or green chilies, or both.
Take our lead.
What's most confusing about this cheese is its name. Queso fresco, fresh cheese, and queso blanco, white cheese, are both fresh white cheeses. Queso fresco is made with rennet and queso blanco is made from milk that has been curdled with an acid like lemon juice or vinegar.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.